Every high-quality botanical starts with a carefully controlled process. Here's how Acacia Confusa Root Bark is transformed inside a modern processing facility. The journey begins with carefully sourced ACRB, where each batch is inspected and sorted to ensure consistent quality. Next, the bark is thoroughly cleaned to remove dust and natural impurities before being dried under controlled conditions to reduce moisture while preserving its natural characteristics. Once dried, the bark is processed into either shredded bark or finely milled powder using industrial equipment, depending on the required specification. Each batch then undergoes quality checks for moisture content, particle size, and overall consistency before moving to the packaging stage. Finally, the finished ACRB is securely packed to help maintain its quality during storage and transportation. From inspection to packaging, every step is designed to produce consistent Acacia Confusa root bark for botanical, research, and industrial applications. We are Medikonda Nutrients.